Are you in control of your restaurant? Jasmine Restaurant Management System has all the tools to help you run your business. Jasmine RMS provides cashier terminals to handle all kinds of orders. You can use waiter pads to take dine-in and takeaway orders. Orders will be printed on kitchen's printers or displayed on kitchen data screens. Your accountant will love Jasmine Integrated Accounting Module. You will control recipes and cost of items using Jasmine Recipe Management Module. Jasmine Stores Management Module will make stock control and inventory operations an easy task. Jasmine Purchasing Management Module will help you issue purchasing orders and manage suppliers' bills and payments. All reports, including the Daily Manager Report, will come to your mobile phone wherever you are. Jasmine RMS gives you full control on your restaurant.